Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to find your zip code on PayPal. Let's get started. First, you want to open up your browser and head over to paypal.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your homepage like this. And from here, you want to look at the top right corner and click on the settings icon. This one. It looks like this little gear. This one. Now, inside the settings menu, you want to make sure you are at the account tab. So you have multiple tabs here. You want to make sure that you're in this tab. And here, you'll find all your personal information. All you have to do is just scroll down until you see the section called addresses. This one. This is where PayPal stores all of your mailing addresses, and each one will include the zip code linked to your account. You can view your current zip code here, and if needed, you can also update or change it directly from this page. And that's it. You have successfully found your zip code on PayPal. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one.